set up Xfinity XB8 gateway. So if you just received the Xfinity XB8, setting it up the right way is important for getting the best speed, coverage and stability. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to install and activate this router and gateway, and what each light means, and how to make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Alright, so now you need to unbox the XB8 gateway. So inside the box you will have the modem and router, /router, power cable, coax cable. Make sure your home has an active coax outlet. Then take the included coax cable and screw it into the coax port on the back of the XB8, just like it's shown on this video, and then just connect the other end to the wall outlet tightly. A loose coax connection is the #1 reason for activation fails. Then you just plug in the power cable and wait for the modem to boot up. The front LED will go through several stages: blinking white starting, steady white ready for activation, and this may take up to 10 minutes. Then you just download or open Xfinity app on your phone, sign in with your Xfinity account, and then tap Activate Gateway. When prompted, the app will automatically detect your router and begin activation. And then you just create your Wi-Fi name and password. Choose something simple and easy to remember. Disconnect both your 2.4 and 5 GHz bands automatically. Then the app will confirm when the XB8 is online. Your LED light should now be solid white. If it turns yellow or red, you may have a signal issue, so tighten the coax or try another outlet. And that is how you set up and install Xfinity XB8 gateway. Once activated through the app, your Wi-Fi should be good to go and working now. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, click on the notification bell, and of course, see you soon.